Okay, are we ready? Hi, how's everybody? All right, so we're continuing on. Okay, we're going to do the short U sounds. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at this combination here on the U sounds. We have two columns, and you're going to see um, the words ending in UN and UG using the short U sounds. Okay, so let's start with the first column. And what have we here? We have sun, run, bun, none. Right? In the second column, we see hug, mug, jug, and rug. Okay? So you can hear the short U sound, right? Hmm? All right. Let's take a look at the pictures. See that? Okay, so we have sun, run, bun, and none. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Dad thinks it's fun to run in. Oh, Dad thinks it is fun to run in the sun. Hmm? Dad thinks it is fun to run in the sun. You guys are learning a lot of vocabulary or reviewing a lot of vocabulary as we move along here, especially when you don't speak English fluently, right? And you know, you need to learn these sounds so that you can pronounce words that you come across in your classroom in school and your reading and your homework stuff, right? Okay, so let's go to the next. Let's look at the short U sound in the words ending in USH and UCK. Let's take a look at our first column. Okay, we have hush, crush, rush, blush, brush, flush. Hmm? Then we have UCK, we have tuck, duck, buck, stuck, puck, and truck. Okay, so let's move along to the pictures and the sentences. Okay, so we have hug, mug, jug. Actually, wrong words. Okay, here we go. Hush, crush, rush, blush, brush, and flush. Mm-hmm. I rush to brush my teeth. I rush to brush my teeth. Right? Okay, let's look at UCK. Right? Let's take a look at these pictures. Okay, so we have tuck. So we have a mommy tucking a blanket in on her child to go to sleep. Tuck. Duck, buck, stuck, puck, and truck. Right? The truck got stuck in the mud. The truck got stuck in the mud. Hmm? Okay, let's move it along. We have UNK and words ending in UMP. Okay, let's take a look at the first column and we'll start um, saying these words here. We have dunk, trunk, bunk, sunk, skunk, and junk. Then we have in the second column jump, stump, pump, and grump. Mm. Okay. Dunk, like dunking a basketball. Trunk, the trunk of an elephant. Bunk, like in bunk beds. Sunk, looks like a sailboat sinking in the water. We have a skunk and junk. Woof, that is a lot of stuff. Okay. The junk filled up the trunk. The junk filled up the trunk. Okay. Ready for the next? Jump. Stump, like a stump of a tree, or the first word there, jump, jumping on a trampoline. They're exercising, jumping up and down. Then we have a pump. It looks like we're blowing up, we're putting air into the basketball. And a grumpy person. Okay, let's read this sentence. I jumped over the stump and bumped my leg. I jumped over the stump and bumped my leg. Hmm? Okay, next. We have words ending in UNG. Hmm? Let's take a look at these words. Stung, hung, sung, and lungs. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Stung, like maybe stung by a bee. Yeah, somebody got stung by with a bee on the foot. Hung, somebody is hanging a picture. Sung, right? Someone singing song. And lungs, right? My lungs are filled up with air. My lungs, right? My lungs are filled up with air. Hmm? A lot of good combination of words, vocabulary that you're learning here. The more and more you see this repetition, those common words, what usually you're supposed to be learning these in all the grades where you have sight words that you have to practice. And these sight words are the common words, and sometimes there's a lot of irregular kind of words where the sounds don't follow the rules. They're different. They have their own set of rules. Okay, so that's why it's really very important to continue to practice. Hmm? Okay, so there you go. Okay, so you have your short O and short U sounds for this day. Okay, and look forward to more practice English videos. I'll be working on that for you guys. All right. So remember to like and subscribe, right? Because this is how you get your notifications. Hmm? When you subscribe, you'll know when something new is coming up. Okay, so continue to practice. I'm very proud of all of you. You're doing a great job if you're sticking in there and really, really seriously studying this. And again, you're the only guys that know where you need more practice on certain sounds. And if you run through all these videos, you'll find it. You'll know where you have to practice more. Okay, so with that, I'm going to say see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.